Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, let's make a healthy snack. I felt like something sweet. And I said, well, if I make a snack, I might can add just a few sweet items in there and it won't be totally sweet, okay? So this is for me today, okay? And when you get ready to make you a snack, you might want to follow along because it's gonna really impress you and it's really good, okay? Okay, so let's do it. Let me just surprise you, all right? Alright, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out the links below. Let's do it. Okay, so when I thought about making up this snack, I said, okay, so what can I make it up with? I wanted something sweet, so I decided to get some M&Ms. And this package is 1.69 ounces of M&Ms. This is 1 cup of walnuts. Now, if you don't like walnuts, you can do pecans, or if you don't want to do nuts, you can pick something else that you may like, okay? This is dried cranberries that I also decided to go with. Now, if you don't like the cranberries, you can do raisins, or any other dried fruit that you may think that you may like. This is what's going to surprise you. Fruit rings. Fruit rings. Now you know this is a cereal, but why can't it be a snack? I think it would be a wonderful snack, okay? So I have here 2 cups of fruit rings. And they have the different flavors here. I believe it's lemon and grape and probably, I would say, what other flavors would it be? What flavor would the green color be? Let's see if they're going to tell me on here. Maybe not. Artificial fruit flavors, it says. Okay, so it's different kind of flavors that they've made up. And this is honey almond granola. Honey almond granola. Okay, so this particular snack, we're not gonna have to refrigerate or anything. And it's 12 grams of sugar in the honey almond granola. Okay? Okay. So let's start mixing it up to see how it's going to come out for us. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to put half of the cranberries. I want to put half of this cup because I want to see the color variation as I go along, okay? Alright, and I'm going to put half of the walnuts. So let me let you see so far. So you can see if you mix it up, the fruit rings really gives it a nice color there, doesn't it? See? Okay, now let's add half of the honey almond granola. And this package is 1 pound 2 ounces when it's full. I only have a half of a package, so we're using a half a pound plus 1 ounce of granola. So that's what we're looking like so far. And look, that's really yielding a lot, isn't it? Okay, so let's put half of the M&Ms and see how that works. These are the M&Ms. Oh, that brought a lot of color. You see the M&Ms? So this is something that you can actually do with the kids. You know, they would really, really enjoy this because they like fruit rings. They may not necessarily be a big fan of granola, but I think if you mix it with these other items, they would eat it because it's two things in there for sure that they like. They like the fruit rings, and they like the M&Ms, right? So you can't go wrong there. Okay. Alright, so now that I see that the color is going to work, let's go ahead and add the balance. So remember, we added a total of 1 cup total of dried cranberries. I'm going to mix that up. Okay, and we have 1 total cup of walnuts. Remember, we put half in the first time, so this is the second half. I'll mix that in. Okay, and the balance of the honey almond granola. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. Oh, wow. Okay, and let's go ahead and add the balance of the M&Ms. Okay. So you can see that this took us all of less than 5 minutes, and look what a great snack that you could have. See that? Now let me get something to put it in. So I have some small containers like this. This is probably, I'd say, 4 ounces. And you're going out, or the kids are going out, and you want to give them a snack. You can just fill this right up. See? Or you're going to work. You have your snack for the day. Or you're sitting down watching TV. How about that, huh? That's a good idea, right? Okay. Okay, so now that I have shown you a great snack, you know I'm going to have some, right? Okay, let me get another view of that. Okay, I wanted to get another view of the colorful snack. Look at that. Cool, huh? Another view? Nice. Okay, let me come back and give you the word of the day, please. Okay, let me give you the word of the day before I get that taste in my mouth. For the snack. Yes. Hard as nails. You ever heard that statement? Hard as nails. Do you know someone whose head is just really hard? Hard meaning not when you touch it, but they don't listen. They don't learn life lessons. They repeat the same mistakes over and over and over. Yes, I know a few of those people. And, you know, I think that after you go through something a couple of times, you might get the idea that maybe that's not a good idea. But not with those who have a hard head. They just want to do whatever they want to do, whatever pleases them, regardless of any outcome it may come. Whether it's good or bad, they don't care. They're hoping for the best, but basically they want to go down the wrong avenue over and over and over. Well, don't give up on those people. There's still hope. And one day we all wake up. One day we all listen. One day we actually get it. So if you know someone that head is hard as nails, or maybe that's you, keep hope alive, because you will get the results of your head. You will learn to from your own mistakes, and you'll learn to correct those, because one day your head is not going to be hard as nails. Okay, that's the word of the day. Okay, so let me taste. So I have my little snack here. Look at that. So I'm going to get some of everything. Okay, I have some oat and some M&Ms. I got it all. So the first thing happens is I bit right into the fruit ring, and then the M&M with that burst of chocolate that came right through my mouth. And then I taste the oats and the cranberries. Great combination, guys. Great combination. Oh, you must have this as your summer snack. You're gonna love it. Okay? Okay, so you make yours and comment and let me know what combinations of items that you used. And you can teach me. Okay? Alright, love you. I want everybody to be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.